Be wnaeth pawb? Mi wnes I. In this video, you will learn how to ask the children in your class what they did or what they made. Be wnes ti? What did you do? Or what did you make? Didwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me. Be wnes ti? To answer I did or I made, we say mi wnes I. Look at the following examples and repeat. Mi wnes I lun del. I made, or I did, a pretty picture. Mi wnes I siapiau toes. I made dough shapes. Mi wnes I fwyd. I made food. We can also add any verb noun, for example, cofio, gweld, eistedd, after this pattern in order to make a past tense. The verb noun takes a treigliad meddal, soft mutation, enghraifft, for example, mi wnes I fwyta cinio. I ate lunch. Mi wnes I beintio llun. I painted a picture. To ask what someone else did or made, we would say enghraifft, for example. Be wnaeth Teddy? What did Teddy do? What did Teddy make? Neu be wnaeth o? What did he do? What did he make? Be wnaeth Dolly? What did Dolly do? What did Dolly make? Neu, be wnaeth hi? What did she do? What did she make? A dyma rhai atebion. And here are some answers. Didwch ar fy ôl I. Mi wnaeth Teddy swper. Teddy made supper. Mi wnaeth o'r siopa. He did the shopping. Mi wnaeth Dolly de. Dolly made tea. Mi wnaeth hi'r gwely. She made the bed. Cofiwch. Remember, the verb noun takes a treigliad meddal. Mi wnaeth Dolly de. Da iawn. Cofiwch, da chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc.